Welcome to AiTrillion.com. Today I'll show you how to create a newsletter sign-up form on your store. So, to create newsletter pop-up, go to AI Pop-ups, then Newsletter Sign-up. Here you can create a pop-up as per your design. You can click on Create New Newsletter. You can give the form name for internal use. From here, you can choose the list where you want to save the sign-up. If you want, you can also write the comment for your internal purpose. And then, click on Save. Once you save it, you will be redirected to the dashboard, where you can design it. From the design, first, select the pop-up position. From here, whether you want to show it in the middle, left, right, you can select it as per your wish. For example, I have selected it in the middle of the page. You can give the field label as well. Field labels are these text, email address. So you can give the font style, text color. You can select button style, button text color, background colors, widths, alignments. All these settings can be done from here. You can do pop-up style, like the opacity settings can be done from here. Also, you can set the pop-up width, height from here. Next, we have a field, like an email address, first name, last name, phone number. If you want to save, you can select. And if you want to make it require, like it's compulsory to fill, you can select these options. Now we have content. From here, you can also upload an image on top. Simply select image and upload on the top of the page. You can also set the alignment of the image, where you want to show it. You can set the image position inside it, like where exactly you want to show it. Also, you can change the content of the pop-up from here, and can set the background image you want. For specific bars, you can set background color, border color, radius. From here, for the pop-up. Now we have additional content for the bottom of the page, like privacy policy, or any dummy content you want to show below the text. Also, if you want to show, like, once someone has submitted the form, you can add a text here. Also, you can set a footer text. It will come below thanks link. Then we have sign up success message. Like, once the form is submitted, you can set up success message here. Then we have behavior, like display setting, how frequently want the pop-up to come. For example, immediately, or after 5 seconds where the customer landing your website, or after 10 seconds, or even after just scrolling. Like, you can set after scrolling to the middle of the page, pop-up should come. Or if the customer scrolls to the bottom page, then only the pop-up should come. You can also set it on the first time land, or exiting the browser. So, when a customer moves his browser to exit, this pop-up will come. Next we have his display frequency. Like, don't show after submitting a form. So, when someone will submit this form, the pop-up will not come again. Also, you can say, like after how many days this pop-up will come again. Also, you can set on which page. With all pages, home page, cart page, thank you page, or any specific URL, you can add here. So, it's not just a newsletter sign up. You can create any form of your choice. Based on the requirement, you can capture like email, or anything, on any specific landing page. Also from the customer, through this pop-up, you can simply save it. Also, you can enable or disable any time from this setting. And this will be disabled or enabled, as per your instructions.